Hello and welcome to the next episode of All Things AI, Gen AI. I'm your host Pankaj Bakshi. Today we are tackling a big debate, the AI transformation with human empathy. AI is changing the game, but can it ever replace a human touch? Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's reducing handling time, boosting sales, automating repetitive tasks, and freeing teams to focus on strategic work. Now let's talk about few examples around what is happening in the market. In retail, AI-driven chatbots handle thousands of product inquiries daily, instantly reducing wait times from minutes to seconds. In banking, AI fraud detection systems are flagging suspicious transaction in real time, saving millions in potential losses. These gains are transforming how companies operate operationally and financially, but here's the catch. Efficiency isn't everything. Now, what AI can't replace is the human empathy. There is a limit to what AI can do. It can replicate empathy, trust, or the reassurance that comes from a real human voice. Imagine you are a patient calling a healthcare provider about a critical medication issue. A bot can give you dosage instructions, but it can't sense your anxiety or reassure you that everything will be okay. People connect with people, and those connections build loyalty, trust, and long term relationships. Things algorithms can't deliver. Now, picture this: a family stranded at an airport due to a cancelled flight. AI can rebook tickets, but a human agent can empathize and offer meal voucher, creating a lasting positive impression. In insurance, after an accident, a customer needs emotional support while filing a claim. AI can process form, but can only a human say, "Where we are here for you." These human interactions create emotional bonds that last. When a customer says, "I trust you," it's not because your tech is fast, it is because your team showed empathy and presence. We need to strike the right balance. So, how do we combine both worlds? AI efficiency and human empathy. Here are three guiding principles: automate the routine, use AI for FAQs, routing, and scheduling, free up time for humans to focus on complex emotional interactions. Empower humans with insights. Let AI surface patterns like sentiment shifts or recurring issues, but let humans interpret and respond personally. Measure empathy, not just speed. Don't chase only metrics like handle time, including KPIs, SLAs, but KPIs for emotional resolution and customer trust. Another example: AI flags the caller struggling with medication adherence. A human steps in, listens, and offers reassurance. That's impact AI alone can't achieve. As a business leader, now what should be your action plan? Here's what you can do today and what it looks like in practice. Identify tasks that can be automated safely. A global retail chain automating its order tracking and saving time and money, but also map emotional touch points where human interaction matters most. Example: a healthcare provider analyzed patient journeys and found it that medication related calls were high stress moments. They kept these interactions human led. Result: patient satisfaction scores improved by over 22%. Train your team to connect, reassure, and personalize, even in digital first environments. A travel company trained agents to add empathy scripts during disruption calls. Combined with AI driven rebooking, this reduced complaint escalations by 40% and boosted loyalty. These examples show that blending automation and empathy just isn't theory. It drives measurable results, faster service, happier customers, and stronger brand trust. Now that's a wrap for today's episode. Let's wrap it up with saying that AI brings the metrics, but human brings the meaning. If you found this useful, please subscribe and leave a review on Spotify, LinkedIn, or on YouTube. I'm your host, Pankaj Bakshi. Thanks for tuning in to all things hashtag AI, hashtag Gen AI. Until next time, keep blending intelligence with empathy. Thank you very much.